Give meanings. Arrest, troubled, stressed out. Come a long way, progressed, developed. Coincides, occurs at the same time. Rend, tear. Fussy, very choosy. Delicacies, fine, special food items. Exotic, belonging to faraway lands. Awe, wonder, amazement. Obsessed, totally occupied with one aspect. Haggling, bargaining. Illuminated, lighted up. Answer the following questions. How did the kites of the past differ from the modern ones? The kites of the past were made of kite paper and a wooden frame, but modern kites are motorized and made of fiberglass. The kites of the past were box kites which were designed more than 100 years ago and inspired others to create power-driven aeroplanes. In this way, the kites of the past differed from modern ones. When is kite flying at its peak in India? The kite flying is at its peak in the spring season and Makar Sankranti. This day also coincides with the festival of Uttarayan, when the sun is said to begin its journey to the northern hemisphere. How do they celebrate the kite flying festival in Gujarat? The kite flying begins at dawn and continues throughout the day. People of all ages gather in the open on rooftops and terraces. They compete with each other and are triumphant when someone cuts the thread of a rival. Some people prepare special lines for their kites. There is music in the air and traditional delicacies are specially prepared. An international kite festival is organized by the Gujarat State Tourism Corporation. Why is the kite festival at Ahmedabad so special? The kite festival at Ahmedabad is very special because an international kite festival is held either at the Sardar Patel Stadium or the Police Stadium. It attracts international kite flyers as well as local champions. Little Indian paper kites compete with those from Japan, the USA, the UK, and other countries. Exotic kites with marvelous shapes such as eagles and snakes soar in the sky. The Patang or Kite Bazaar in the heart of Ahmedabad is open 24 hours a day for a whole week, and people crowd the streets through the night. Skilled craftsmen demonstrate kite making's age-old skills and how to prepare a special thread. At night, illuminated box kites are sent into the sky. What does a visit to the Patang Bazaar prove? A visit to the Patang Bazaar proves one's love for kite flying. How is the special thread for kite flying prepared? The special thread for kite flying is prepared by covering the thread with a mixture of glue and ground glass, which is then dried and rolled onto reels known as furkis. These lines are so sharp that if carelessly used, they can cut a finger. What are tuckals? Tuckals refer to the illuminated box kites which are often strung on one line and launched into the sky. They add beauty to the dark sky and compete with the brilliance of the stars. Give the antonyms and synonyms of the words below, choosing from those given. Happily, synonyms joyfully, antonyms sorrowfully. Traditional, synonyms old fashioned, antonyms modern. Halt, synonyms pause, antonyms start. Triumph, synonyms victory, antonyms defeat. Exotic, synonyms foreign, antonyms native. Rival, synonyms competitor, antonyms partner. Soar, synonyms rise, antonyms drop. Brilliance, synonyms luster, antonyms dullness. Say whether the following statements are true or false. Fiberglass kites led to creating power-driven aeroplanes. False. In Gujarat, the kite festival is celebrated to welcome the spring. False. Uttarayana starts from Makar Sankranti onwards. True. Kite flying in Gujarat is a competitive sport cum festival. True. The Kite Bazaar in Ahmedabad is open day and night for a week. True. The special thread for kite flying is sharpened by adding sugar and glass pieces. False. Using points from the lesson, give the details of the following in a short paragraph for each topic. Different types of kites. Kite flying has a long history. There are many Greek, Indian, and other mythological stories that tell us about human beings wanting to or trying to fly. Kites were made of thin wooden frames and kite paper in the past. Since then, it has come a long way with the invention of fiberglass and motorized kites. The other types of kites available are exotic kites, box kites, and illuminated box kites. International Kite Festival at Ahmedabad. The International Kite Festival in Ahmedabad is a big event that is organized by the Gujarat State Tourism Corporation. It is held either at the Sardar Patel Stadium or the Police Stadium. The popular festival attracts international kite flyers who demonstrate their skills in flying exotic kites and local champions as well. Little Indian paper kites compete with those from Japan, the USA, the UK, and other countries. Excited spectators watch in awe as marvelous shapes such as eagles and snakes soar into the skies. The Kite Bazaar of Ahmedabad. One of the highlights of this festival is the Patang or Kite Bazaar in the heart of Ahmedabad, which is open 24 hours a day for a whole week. A visit to this bazaar in the middle of the night is enough to prove that the entire city is obsessed with kites. People crowd the streets and buy their stocks, haggling through the night. You have just returned after your first experience of the Kite Festival in Gujarat, Ahmedabad. You are thrilled with the festivities. Write a short report about the Kite Festival for a local newspaper. Give an attractive headline, a dateline, and an account of the Kite Festival. Write the report in the third person with more use of passive voice. All about kite flying on the festival. On January 14, 2024, one of the major celebrations in India, Makar Sankranti signifies the end of winter and is a festival devoted to the sun god. Makar Sankranti, sometimes referred to as the harvest festival, is the day on which the sun enters Makara Rashi, the zodiac or constellation of Capricorn. It signals the beginning of longer days and the sun's northward motion, which is why this time of year is known as Uttarayan and is regarded as extremely auspicious. Since Makar Sankranti was observed in accordance with the lunar calendar, it was occurred essentially on the same day each year. Flying a kite is a way to express appreciation and gratitude to God. Gujarat and Rajasthan have the largest kite flying events in the country. Handmade kites are produced by people of these states several months ahead of the festival. Gujarat celebrates Makar Sankranti with a grand celebration known as the International Kite Festival, which has been organized in the state since 1989. You have a friend who lives abroad. Write a letter to your friend describing how you enjoyed the kite festival. Students have to read this and write this informal letter writing topic on their own. Underline the verb forms in the following sentences and state their tense and aspect. They are waiting for the right winds. Tense, present, aspect, progressive. People were haggling over the price of kites. Tense, past, aspect, progressive. Vendors had been selling kites all through the week. Tense, past, aspect, perfect, progressive. Skilled craftsmen had demonstrated age-old skills. Tense, past, aspect, perfect. State Tourism Corporation will be organizing the International Kite Festival. Tense, future, aspect, progressive. Kite flyers have demonstrated their skills with exotic kites. Tense, present, aspect, perfect. Name the festival that you enjoy the most of all. Fill in the facts about that festival. Name of the festival. When it is celebrated. Why it is celebrated. How it is celebrated. Special cuisine. Other special features. Name of the festival. Diwali. When it is celebrated. It is celebrated every autumn between October and November. Why it is celebrated. South India celebrates Diwali as the day that Lord Krishna defeated the demon Narakasura. In northern India, they celebrate the story of King Rama's return to Ayodhya after he defeated Ravana by lighting rows of clay lamps. How it is celebrated? People clean and decorate temples as well as their homes and workplaces. Places are brightly illuminated with candles and oil lamps, and devotional offers puja are made. People also often wash themselves with water and fragrant oils or wear adornments and new fine clothes. Families may organize feasts at which sweet, mithai and gifts are shared. Many cities, towns and villages set off fireworks in the evening and hold fairs, melas. Special cuisine. Samosa, aloo bunda, gulab jamun, सूजी हलवा, मुरुक्कू, नमक परे, गाजर का हलवा, गुजिया, कालाकंद, बताशा, रसगुल्ला, सोन पापड़ी, etc. Other special features. During Diwali, people wear their finest clothes, illuminate the interior and exterior of their homes with diyas and rangoli, perform worship ceremonies of Lakshmi, the goddess of prosperity and wealth, light fireworks, and partake in family feasts where mithai, sweets, and gifts are shared.